Home inspection contingencies were being waived the last 2 years as buyers attempted to stand out amongst the competition. But with the fall season here and new market changes shaking up the industry, contingencies are back. Today I'm going to talk about 6 expensive and inconvenient reasons why you should make sure your home is properly inspected before you buy it. Today is Tuesday, October 4th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related topics. Today's topic is expensive reasons why you should have a home inspection. And we are going to start with the fact that you could have issues that need to be remediated. I'm going to highlight 3 of those issues, which are infestation, radon contamination, and also mold. So first, infestation of termites and or other wood-boring insects can affect your roof, siding, and your structural components of your home. A small colony of termites can actually eat through 5 grams of wood a day. So left untreated for months or even years, as most termite colonies are, is a sure way to guarantee that you're going to have structural issues in the future. Radon is an odorless, colorless, lung cancer-causing gas that occurs naturally as rock and soil decay. So because your basement is underground, this is the place that inspectors will most often test for radon gas buildup. Lastly, for this category is mold, which thrives in moist conditions and will also lead to a loss in your structural integrity of your property, in addition to poor air quality conditions that affect your health. Mold and termites both thrive in moist conditions, so sometimes they go hand in hand, and where you find one, you will find the other. Next is the fact that you could have an underground oil tank. So underground heating oil tanks are very common in New Jersey and are known to leak and contaminate underground soil and water. This can cost thousands of dollars to remediate, so spending that $225 during your inspection contingency can definitely save you in the long run. Next is the fact that you could have a sewer line issue. And I actually know a friend that has had this issue and a current client that has a sewer line issue. So pipe corrosion and tree root intrusion are amongst the most common sewer line problems homeowners face. That beautiful tree on your front lawn or on the neighbor's lawn, its roots could actually be growing into your sewer line and clogging them. Now, what this can lead to is sewage backup in your home, foul smells, slow draining sinks and tubs, also pest invasion and foundation cracks from the excess water backup. Lastly, for you, I have today is that you could have unpermitted additions or alterations to your home. So ask your attorney to run an Open Public Records Act request, which we call an OPRA request. And this is going to grant you access to all public records that are associated with the home. Now, this can tell you whether rooms, pools, garages, basements, patios, or any other home addition was done with a proper permit that was successfully closed out. If your home has additions that were not properly permitted, it's actually going to affect everything, including your insurance, your taxes, your home's usability, and also your overall home value. So that pool that's in the backyard, make sure that the previous owner actually got that permitted, because if not, you could be faced with digging up the entire pool, which you definitely don't want to have to do. Now, I'm never an advocate of skipping your home inspection. I don't care if you're a home inspector. I think you should have a proper home inspection done. But if you choose to waive it, that is your decision. It is not mandatory in New Jersey. If you have any questions about home inspections, please let me know. I actually have a home inspection today, so I'm going to drop some clips from that as we walk through the house with my favorite home inspector, KB Barnes. If you would like his contact information, I'd be glad to share it with you. Thanks for tuning in to today's topic. I hope you all enjoy this beautiful rainy day as we endure the remnants of Hurricane Ian. Please stay safe, and I will see you next Tuesday.